Hello. I owe some of you an apology. All you craft brewers, real brewers, grain, hop, proper brewers, I owe you an apology. I feel as though I've committed blasphemy. I've done something I never thought I would do. I've stooped so low at this time. I apologise to all of you. Mad Dog at the back, I'm sorry. I shot in. I've gone and bought myself a couple of beer kits. Absolutely. I know you're disgusted, disgraced with me. I've worked with some of you. I've drank loads and loads of your real beer, your craft beer, and I love it. Why would I go and buy a kit of beer? Beer in a tin. It's not even brewed and then put into a tin. It gets even worse. I bought 2 of them. Well, thing is, I wanted to try. I've never used a beer kit before, or a wine kit. I've bought 2 wine kits as well, but that's a different story. Anyway, I was interested. I saw them online and I thought, heck, why not? You gotta try these things once in your life, haven't you? If they don't work out, I'll still drink them. If they're fantastic, I'll try and make the recipe myself. So, I owe you an apology in advance. I feel like I've let the side down all these real home brewers and craft brewers and real proper Seaburn camera. You would never stoop this low, would you? To buy something, a kit. Anyway, it might be really good. I've got 2 types. I've got the Kriek from Brewferm. Interesting. It's meant to make 12 litres of about 5.5% beer. Cherry flavoured, or cherry styled. Interesting. The other one, again, Brewferm, called Diabolo. I like the name Diabolo. I've got a few things in the house called Diabolo as well. Seems to follow me around, this Diabolo fella. Anyway, I'm going to give these a try, make them up, see how easy they seem. How easy they seem. They don't seem easy at all. I think it'd be easier to make your own from grain and hop. I've got the instructions. Double-sided, bit of an A4 bit of paper. I'm trying to find the English bit. There's every language here across Europe and beyond. Trying to find this tiny small print about the English that I can actually read and understand. It's harder than just trying to... Anyway, I think I found it. And there's an awful little graph for how much sugar to add per litre. I'll just have to work it out. Anyway, another update for you. Moving on slightly, different tangents. Remember last December, I started a red kidney bean wine. Don't know if you can see this by here. Look. Look. It's still bubbling away. I made this 6 months ago. I know it's going quite slowly now, but it's still fermenting. It's still bubbling. Quite a few bubbles in the demijohn itself. Yeah, it's getting there, it is. Still, anyway, where are you? There you are. So, before I do go make this beer up, I've got the fun job of bottling more beer. It's the last batch I made of IPAs, so hard times that. Come on. Work to be done. Beer to be bottled, beer to be drunk. Well, you have to try these things, don't you?